Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, there are certain acts of people that are really shameful and brings very bad name to the entire community. Something like that is going viral here in Canada, and it is bringing bad name to like whole Indian community. Indian community is being targeted. Like, it's not necessarily you are gonna see something I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. So it's not necessarily that woman who did this is Indian, but of Indian origin, but the dress she had put on is a traditional clothing in India, and many of them are saying that, oh, she is Indian. She could be from Sri Lanka, she could be from any other neighboring country, true. But what happens, like, when somebody puts on a traditional dress like this, the first impression many people get, oh, that's an Indian woman. And because of that, like, hatred is being burst on social media. This is really a shameful act. Whoever did this, like this year Diwali and Halloween were on the same day. So on Halloween day, what happens, like kids and others, they put on Halloween costume, and at evening they go door to door and collect candies. It's a tradition, it's a custom, or whatever you say. Many kids arrived at my home too, and I had chocolates, and more than enough chocolates to give one to each of them. Whoever came, I just gave. And same thing happens in my neighborhood also. So in the city of Markham here in Ontario, one woman is seen who has put on Indian dress, and what she is doing, she is having a big bag. She is going to the houses and she is collecting all the candies. Like, she is not knocking the door. She's like, many people what they do, they put candies outside in their corridor or somewhere, so that whoever comes, they can collect the candy from there and go. So she was collecting all the candies, and it one instance you will see that she even stole string lights. I mean, what kind of an act is this? What is she gonna get? Is she gonna grow richer with doing such kind of an act? And it's like so badly, it's humiliating to all of us. Like, imagine a third person sees this. What are they gonna say? Oh, this girl, from where has she immigrated? Oh my God. Why can't they just say, I don't want to say such things. I really don't want to say such things. But I feel frustrated by seeing people doing such acts. And the most shameful part, like you will see in the video, that in one incident where she was stealing lights, she saw that, oh, she looked at the camera. She knew that she was getting filmed at. She knew that filmed portion can be out on social media. But still, she was going after it. I mean, it's limit, guys. Please, guys, I request to everyone, please do not do any such act. Thanks for watching. Watch that clip and let me know.